Hello guys and welcome back. This is going to be another bathroom refurbishment with shower panels on top of the existing tiles and on top of the ceiling. So I already started to rip out a little bit here and there. I had to take even the bath panel out, and look what I found. It seems that each and every builder done any repairs into this bathroom, they just use the underneath the bathroom as a waste disposal. And of course this bathroom has many problems. I'm not going to get into everything right now, but it has a lot of water penetration here and there. Tiles are moving. Some of them I will have to take them out and repair the empty spaces so I can fit my shower panels on. But meanwhile I'm just going to take everything out bit by bit, and hopefully I'm going to make this bathroom look great again, and the client hopefully is going to be happy with that. So let's go, let's just do this. So alright guys, I just finished with the rip out, and I've done even some repairs here and there, and I prepared that shower panel. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger than the actual window, and it's covering a little bit the window. I'm going to cut a little bit from it at a later stage, and I'm going to tell you why I'm doing that. Anyway, at this point I'm just going to prepare my bathtub. I'm not going to stick that one to the wall yet because it's still wet. And yeah, I'm going to explain everything to you once that the bathtub is in. I just started to install the ceiling, so I will put some shower panels even on the ceiling. As you can see, already started. I don't have enough light in here, but I'm still going to film a little bit. And alright guys, the ceiling it's all done right now, as you can see, and I have to put this sink unit in right over there, and I already prepared it a little bit. I put some vinyl click flooring on because I would like to be everything covered even if you don't see it, and I put a little bit of silicone on the sides, so just in case a little bit of water is going from the bathtub or from the sink, it's just not going to go underneath that vinyl flooring. And yeah, at this point I'm ready to install that sink unit. I already done some cuts on it because I have loads of pipes over there, and I am ready to install it. And I still don't have any light. I'm waiting for the delivery to come. I could put the old light back just for the purpose of the video, but it will have to arrive from one moment to another. So this small portion of the video is going to be a little bit darker, and yeah. So right now I'm just going to start to install the sink unit. And alright, I had a little bit of problems with this unit right here to install it, because at the back is passing a lot of pipes which I cannot change them. I cannot modify them too much because it's going straight into the stock, and some of them is in metal, and I don't want to mess around with what I have inside there. Because that is going to be the main stock on all the neighbors, so I cannot just cut it, because everything is just going to fall down here in case somebody is going to use the toilet upstairs or the sink or the washing machine. So yeah, I changed what I could. You can see there the pipes and everything. We have the shutout valves there, and I even installed that light, so now we are going to have more light. That light is coming with the remote control. I will still need to change the switch over there. Yeah, like I was saying, the toilet needs to be taken out, and that I think is going to be my next step. And yeah, at a certain point I was telling you about this shower panel, so that's why I built this small stud wall here, because now I could screw this shower panel exactly into the timber work, the timber frame, and I don't have any gap at the back. So yeah, this is how it was done, and doesn't give any problem to the window. Is still accessible. So alright, this is what I've done till at this point, and I'm just going to carry on. Now here, it's exactly what I was afraid of. I was avoiding it, but it is what it is. So this type of old toilets, before installing it, they are just going to put some sand and cement, make some concrete, and just sit the toilet on top of that pad. And usually that pad is quite hard to take off. Now I realized that when I saw this small edge right here, I was thinking that it will have this kind of pad, and this is the only way to take the toilet out when you have that type of pad. And it's even hard for the maintenance if you need to take the toilet out and have a look at the soil pipe or change the soil pipe. Is going to be almost impossible. But anyway, right now I will have to take that off, and let's start to brake. And I have a little friend that is going to help me with this. Alright guys, so finally I finished this bathroom refurb, and this is how it is at the moment. So yeah, I even put the toilet, it's on, towel radiator, it's on, and yeah, I struggled a little bit to fit that, but now it's all done. And of course the shower screen with the shower and bathtub, and it's all fitted nicely. Had some problems with that plinth over there because I had to rebuild the bottom of the bathtub with some timbers, and then I applied some shower panels on, and it took me a little bit of time, but now it's not looking that bad. I had to do that because of the old plumbing, the old metal pipe. It was a little bit higher, and it would have taken a little bit of time to change all that. And of course the light, we have an RGB light with the remote control, so we can change the light. It's even Bluetooth, and you can listen to some music while you're having your bath. I don't think it's ever going to happen for me because I'm quite fast, but it's good to have it. So alright guys, at this point don't forget to squeeze that like button, and see you on the next one. And what do we have here? Hello.